You're about to see knowing how others trade to take advantage of their behavioural patterns. Trading without knowing who the other traders in the market are and what they're trading, it's like watching a show with the curtains drawn. Now for context, in the short term, price can do anything, but ultimately it comes back to value. Hence why widespread amongst professional trading firms is relative value arbitrage. I shared the latest brain studies on how people behave when a perceived reward's on the line. You'll find the link in the description. Okay, let's go. Starting entering short now that there's evidence the hypothesis is working out.
Lots of selling there, and that selling, if you have a look at all the long inventory that's come in going, hey, this is a bargain, let's get long. So I'm in a short, on side, trying to add at 20, working an order there. That's done. That's now back on side. So it got lifted, which got me done, and then immediately supply came in. There's a lot pinning their outcome on hope. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the hopers, for that to become hopeless. I'm starting to close out here. Those going short, they don't realize that that was just actually the final washout of the hoping longs, and now it's the actual long opportunity. So they're going short because they think the market's in a move to the downside, but values to the upside. So it's a great spot for a long. This was the early adopters that also burnt. Now they want to go short, and now they're getting it twice. Back through here, I'm talking about a hypothesis, no trading. Finally, I get an entry. How much heat does it take? 2 ticks. I get some further confirmation, I add. So here, add, and this is where I really add. Take some out here, take out the bulk. Long, add. I'm sitting on a cushion and I'm trading a hypothesis more than anything to do with the wiggling of the chart.